is Julie licking the lollipop. The first dog in the world to eat a lollipop. This new style of eating a lollipop.
Strange video. This is the dog which can bite the strongest lollipop in the world. And this is going to eat this and trying to bite it, but it can't. It got caught now. So it's licking it. And it's trying to bite it, but it can't. So it's licking it, continuing. So it's licking and licking. It got fed up. It's smelling the stick now. It started to bite again.
You're biting it hard?
Yes, no, it can't bite. It's getting caught and fed up.
You bite and give it chill.
So it's trying to bite it, but it can't. It's too strong. The stick is getting caught inside the... It's getting caught. That's what can't bite. So the dog says, let me lick the lollipop. And
It got fed up.
Yeah. Again it started. But it can't bite. But
Biting. Bitter a little.
See the lollipop size, and it's going to be licked up by 5 seconds more. It's trying, but it can't. It's getting caught end of the teeth. It's trying to lick it. Again, trying to bite it. What is maintenance, man? It can't. So it's trying to lick it. My angel Julia. Biting the stick, but it can't. It got caught, so it's licking.
Get off, eh?
This is the size of the lollipop. And here